there, my name is Tatiana and you're watching YouTube channel You Can. So it's garlic scape season. What on earth do you do with all these delicious garlic scapes when you have loads of them? So today I want to share with you one of our favorite recipes using garlic scapes. You will need garlic scapes, and I pop these ends off because these don't have any yummy flavor and they're really hard and fibrous. For this recipe, you'll need garlic scapes, fresh ground pepper, cayenne pepper, salt, and of course, eggs. So I have a little bit of oil on the frying pan. I like to use grapeseed oil for frying because it has a very high smoke point. And I'm just putting the garlic scapes in here and mixing them a little bit, and I'm going to wait until they turn a bright green color. Meanwhile, I will whip these eggs up because I'm making an omelet, and I will add the salt and the fresh ground black pepper and a pinch of the cayenne pepper. The garlic scapes are starting to smell so good. And I always like to add just a tad of water to the eggs. Makes them a lot more fluffy. And I will give these one final stir. You see how bright green they became? So that is how I want them to be. I don't want them to be seared. I guess you could sear them if you wanted to, but I'm just making them, waiting until they're bright green, and then I will pour in the eggs. And I will cover this with a lid. And because I have an electric stove and it keeps on heating even when it's off, I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to let them get ready just like that with the lid covered and the stove off. It is ready. Take a look at that. Did you know that if you feed your chickens pumpkin, the egg yolks will be orange?